Do you want to earn $30 per click? Even up to $200? Do you know you can earn this amount of money just by clicking on ads? Step 1. Take a look at this banner ad. I can just click on this ad. Step number 2. I would have to wait for 30 seconds on this page without doing anything. Step number 3. Boom! You make money! And that's exactly how people get paid worldwide just by clicking on ads. This is 100% legitimate and free to do. You're not investing any money to get started, and this works for all countries. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer and the step-by-step strategy in this video. I'll show you a lot of examples and a lot of proof. If you watch this video until the end, I'll reveal a secret on how all of these guys here are able to earn up to $900. Someone made $1,200. Even here, someone made $1,600. This strategy has never been revealed to anyone before, so this is an opportunity for you. So pay attention to make money without further delay. Before I show you the website, you need to create a PayPal account. Simply visit paypal.com to set up a free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the necessary information and sign in. You can also create an online bank account through Google if you don't like the PayPal option. The name of the website I'm going to show you today is adiclicks.net. But you need to watch this video until the end or else you won't make any money, and even if you make money, your earnings will be stuck inside your account and you'll not be able to withdraw your earnings. So it's very important for you to watch this video until the end so that you can avoid mistakes. On this website, you can start earning extra cash for all your online activities. You can do different surveys, you can participate in different contests, you can complete different offers or refer people or simply play games. But more importantly, I want us to focus on visiting websites, which means you can simply click on different websites and click on different ads and you can get paid real money. When you take a close look, you can see that this website is super transparent. Shown here is their total payout for today and yesterday. There are over 100,000 users registered right now on this website, and they even show you all the previous withdrawals from people who have withdrawn. They'll show their username, their country, and their payment methods. And once again, you can withdraw your earnings using PayPal, bank transfer, Skrill, ATM, AirTM, cryptocurrency, Payeer, Netalur, Perfect Money, and many more. Now do me a favor by commenting down below your preferred payment option in your country. And in just a moment, I'll show you exactly how to register for a free account. But before that, let me show you all the proof of payment. As you can see here, they'll show you all the dates. For example, today and yesterday, there are a lot of people already withdrawing their earnings. These guys are from different countries with their country flags beside their username. Right here, you can see the total paid amounts again and again by simply clicking on websites, and anyone can do this without any experience. And I'll be showing you a lot of examples on how you can multiply and earn double or even 10 times more money on this website. So if you want to create a free account, all you need to do is click on this button to register for free. And from there, that's going to bring you to this page. And all you need to do is just enter your full name, your email address, and use whatever username you like, and set up a password. You'll also enter your birth year and your birthplace, and finally, just click on I'm not a robot, agree to their terms of service, and click on this register button. It's that easy. Once you log into your account, the first thing that you're going to see is the leaderboard. They're going to show you who is the top earner, for example. This person is the number 1. You can see here that's the username and that's the country and the total earnings, which you can see here. And this person is actually a member on adiclicks.net. And here's the second ranked top earner who has earned this amount. These people from different countries were able to earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. And what they do is really simple. All you have to do is take out your mobile phone and click on the ads. If you guys are gaining something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now that you've logged in, you can find different daily fix ads to click on them to make money. For example, all of these are ads, and when you click on them, it's going to take you to another website, and all they do is simple, and you can do the same thing. Right now, once you log into your account, you will find different ads to click on. And the most popular ads are banner ads, and when I scroll on to the right section, these are all the banner ads where you can click on them and you can get paid again and again. Now let's just say if I click on any one of these banner ads, it's going to take me to a random website. And once again, you can do this on your mobile phone or computer. After clicking on this website, you'll have to stay on this website for 30 seconds. Just wait for 30 seconds. You don't have to click on any buttons. You don't have to sign up or buy anything. You'll stay here for 30 seconds, and one very important thing is this. People normally do this mistake. When they click on the banner ads and get directed to another website, they don't move anything. They'll just stay there and they do not browse around. When you don't do anything on this website, you'll not make any money from these ads. So make sure you don't do this mistake. Simply scroll around on this website, browse around, and try to move something on this website to prove to them that you are a human and not a robot. And after 30 seconds, they'll credit money into your account. And when you're done with one banner, you can just go ahead and click on another banner. And there are so many different banner ads right here on this website to click on and start getting paid. The second way to get paid is to click on the daily fixed ads, and these are all the ads, so you can click on them and once again stay there for about 10 seconds and get paid. Here are the payment proofs on Addiclicks.net. On this page, you can see that people are sharing all of their results, all the proof and testimonies. You can see here the money they earn, the status is successful, and there are so many people showing their income on this website. And guess what? They were able to achieve these results simply by clicking on daily fixed ads. This is a bonus tip that no one has ever revealed before. And make sure you complete at least a minimum of 5 daily fixed ads a day so that you'll be able to multiply earnings and earn 10 times of the money. Once again, this is a bonus tip that I want to share with you guys. Essentially, what you're going to achieve is that once you complete 5 daily fixed ads, you will unlock the standard ads, and that's going to pay you 10 times more money. Now, for example, if I click on these ads right here, it will take me to another website. And depending on what ads you're clicking, sometimes you have to wait for 10 seconds, sometimes you have to wait for 30 seconds. Usually, the longer you wait, the more money you're going to make. Once again, stay on this page for 30 seconds, browse around, and you're going to get paid. Now, this is the bonus tip that I promised you at the beginning of this video. And this tip has never been shared with anyone. This tip will help you to maximize your earnings on this website. When you take a look at the leaderboard, look at the top earners, as you can see here, the total earnings, for example, this one has this amount right here. Another earning, and you can see here the referral earnings out of the money they received. This amount is coming from the referral earnings. For example, you can see the second user right here. This is the user's total earnings, but some of that earnings came through referral. And that's the ultimate secret on how the top earners are ranking on the leaderboard, and how they're making a lot of money is by simply referring people to this website. And you can do the same thing by referring people to Addiclicks.net as well. You can make money simply by clicking on ads, and you can also make money by referring people to this website, and you can earn passive income. This is a win-win situation. They'll get to know how to make money, and you will earn referral commissions. This is one of the best ways to make money on Addiclicks as well, other than simply clicking on ads. If you want to learn how you can make $400 per day with YouTube Shorts, click here.